Great cookies begin with patience and a little love in every step.
And according to Chef Quinn, we're already off to an excellent start.
The secret is mixing slowly so the dough stays soft and full of flavor.
That's why every cookie tastes homemade instead of factory-made.
Chocolate gives comfort, but coconut gives these cookies their soul.
I still say the coconut is what makes people beg for the recipe every time.
Each cookie gets a little personal attention before it goes into the oven.
That's because perfection can't be rushed, especially in this kitchen.
When the kitchen smells this wonderful, you know the magic is almost ready.
I think even the neighbors can smell happiness drifting out of this house.
The best recipes are really just love stories shared one cookie at a time.
Every batch you make leaves people wanting more.